will be a final ride ever on the elevator at Macy's at Paradise Valley Mall in Phoenix. This Macy's is closing its doors forever. This is the final ride on this elevator. The old Goldwaters elevator was ripped out and replaced with this elevator in 1989. And shout out to Retail Archaeology, because I know he loves old stores. I'm sure he's going to come and film this Macy's, or he already has. Yeah, the old elevator was a Montgomery GMP before the full replacement. Last look at these buttons. There are rumors that the whole mall will be demolished. So this store is probably going to be torn down in the future.